Hey everyone! This jackass is back. Dank and Derpy Gamer's back. Gotta continue doing some programming. Trying to get the Sonic the Hedgehog clone a little bit closer to being complete. Since we last left off, I broke the sound completely, but those green boxes you see are hitboxes. They look like they're in the right place for each object, but they don't seem to function completely correctly yet. I'm gonna have to work on that. Hold on, let me see. Where are you? I just cancel. Fuck, I know that feeling. It fucking sucks, man. Oh, I don't know why. Wait, this is all right. So that's weird. Everything just seems to disappear so quickly. But you saw the hitboxes were all in the weirdest places. Oh, I don't even need this current sound holder one, do I? I could just use hold on. So what I can do is now I'm going to remove that redundancy, that having the current sound holder, and then just make it so just do that. Reference my array of these sons of bitches. That won't work, but it'll be closer. Oh, no, it doesn't work. Fuck nutters. Hold on, what if I just do this? 0. That we have just the same one done every time. I'm gonna see that I didn't completely break everything. I think I did though. Crap tacos. Anyway, what I also wanted to work on this time was the title card. So, let me just pop. I want to see how many frames each. I noticed that there are several stages to this. One where the stage name is coming on screen. One where it's on screen and the background's black or whatever color it may be, like the red, blue, and yellow in Sonic 2, for instance, and whatnot. Another phase where the text is on screen, but the background is no longer black, or whatever color it should be, but the color just shows the screen and everything, and then a phase where it's all coming off screen. I'd say about 4 stages, so to speak. But I want to see how long in terms of frames it takes for this stuff to come on screen and the like. Going to assume text going off screen will be the same amount of time, just in the opposite direction. So I'm not gonna mess with that too much. Hold on. Hey, Lunar. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Hold on. Something's going on with my sound here. What? Let me just see something. I think I might have. Oh, yeah. That's. No. And I just crashed the emulator I'm using for this. That's wonderful. Actually, hold on a moment. I'm running the actual Sonic game here, but what you see right here, I've actually been programming. It's still very far from perfect, as you can tell. Hitboxes are really weird and all that other crap. But it's a start, and it's been kind of a work in progress, on and off for quite a bit of time, actually. I think this is probably the third or fourth time I've gone and completely started over on this project. So what I want to do now, though, is take the game here and see how many frames it takes for the text to move around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 frames. Alright, 15 frames. Let me see. Whoops. Yeah, that was definitely not spelt correctly in the slightest. Hold on, I just want to see if I fixed the sound problem we were having before. Like of OBS. There we go. Yay, that's fixed. Woohoo! Oh man. Let me actually reboot the emulator because now that I've got the amount of ooh, happy birthday, dude. That's always a cool. It's always cool. It's always worth celebrating and being happy about. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there were multiple stages that I kind of forgot about. Oh, crud. This is going to be a little more complicated than I initially realized, isn't it? Oh, boy. Don't worry, this image is actually, that white in the background is actually transparent. So when I do finally get the title screen going, it will not look weird. So when I do have the draw function, I should remember that as long as animation stage is below the point or behind the point where the black background disappears, it'll draw a black rectangle across the screen under the text, and then it won't draw. It will just draw the text otherwise if it's past that stage. Here I'm trying to lay out my thought process on how to tackle this issue. Oh, I keep forgetting this emulator does not have a good evening, and I'll see you around hopefully. If not, that's cool too, and thanks for stopping by. This emulator does not like to go full screen. It's such a pain in the balls. It really is. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Call 911. That's funny. Okay, I completely effed that up. Hold on, here's something I definitely need to look up. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's what it was. Get image data. Could have been done. Well, at least for the context. I don't know if it works for image objects. That would be so helpful if it had that. Let's see. Does it have such a function? Yeah, that's exactly what I am doing. Oh, maybe I should just make a temporary canvas. So what I'm trying to do is piece together. I did something like this where I had the image sheet, and this is gonna be JavaScript. I'm making a web-based Sonic clone. And what sucks, Sock Monkey? Hold on. So wait, before I just go any further, I did something like this. I was making a step editor for DDR Max 2, which I lost with my hard drive crash quite a while back. And I did actually managed in C# to do something like this. And it's too bad I'm not coding this in C# because that would be a lot of fun to replicate. Oh, I hate that. Oh my god. Yeah, if I had a better grasp of the graphical side of OpenGL, I'd totally be doing this clone in C. I would totally. Java is a fun language too. It is. Alright, let me see. No, not CanCas. Oh yeah. Applets. That's something I haven't seen in a long time. Oh man. Okay, there we go. Yo. Counter Stirk. Ha. Alright, so yeah, I'm terrible with accents. I really am. Oh yeah, so here's why I did this. Like so I could put any image. So I could use the same function. So I could create the zone text or the stage title text using the same function. So this, it's gonna be a pain in the balls, but I have to do this. Hold on, I have to see what letters are not in the title card. I know. Oh wait, no, wait a second. This is a modified version of it, so it has the missing letter, so I don't have to worry about that. So I can't technically make it so instead of saying Clockwork Zone, if I were to do the Sonic 1 beta recreation route, I would not be able to make it say clock orc zone without using actual blank characters, which is a lot more sensible anyway. So, clock orc zone instead of clockwork zone. I'm gonna get some music rocking and going and flipping and flowing. Yeah. I have to make 52 cases bunched into 26 groups of 2. Oh Jesus. God, Notepad++'s thing is annoying as fuck. Oh man, that would be funny. So here's what I'm doing. The offset will be, add whatever, like from 1 to 26 to the xgrab offset. Multiply that by the size of the letter in pixels, which is 16. There we go. There we go. Oh God, no. Ha ha! There we go. The length and the height of the temporary canvas. I think I did that correctly. Let me take a look at the level for a sec. Yep, it worked. I think that's correct. So I'm making a canvas that will be the size of the final string. And then I'm going one by one and creating the title text. Hold on, let me go edit. Tools, no, settings, preferences. See you, dude. Three, 4, 5, 6, and just so you know, yeah, I am using a an old membrane keyboard for now. My new keyboard's coming in sometime in the next couple of days. Actually, no, I shouldn't make it plus equals. I should just make it equals because I don't want it to just add if I'm going to be iterating through this. It'll just make the X offset all over the fucking place. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Alright. So let me see. I know that I'm probably making this in a manner that is more complicated than ever needs to be. Well, but I don't think so. I think it's just the way my hair is after I shower. I think my hair's always been a little odd in terms of how high it goes. I don't know. Although I shouldn't jinx it, because apparently my biological family, male pattern baldness, is a thing that's hitting at least my older brother, my older biological brother. I'm hoping it doesn't hit me, but I'm not gonna say anything either way because I don't want to jinx the damn it. Jinx the damn it? Wait, what the? What the hell? Alright, H-I. Alright, so I'm doing it like this because the title card tile set is all caps, but you know, someone's gonna want not necessarily enter all caps just out of habit, I imagine. Okay, so basically, if I can reiterate what I'm trying to do. So it's going to go through each letter in the string and add to the set the X offset for where to grab the image by a certain amount. Multiply that by the title width to get the correct offset for the letter or symbol or whatnot. And then it's going to paste all the images to a temporary canvas and then set the title card text image that I have for my title card object to the image data in that canvas. Boom! And it'll be reusable, so I can do it for the title card text and for the zone part that comes underneath. And it probably won't have any limits like the real Sonic does. So right now I'm coding the title card for my Sonic the Hedgehog clone attempt. And it's a JavaScript-based Sonic the Hedgehog clone I'm trying to do. And as you can see, things are not working completely correctly because the rings disappear. Oh wait, no, they actually... Oh wait, yeah, I ran into this problem with a very early iteration of this I did years ago. Like, if I go from this direction, and the hitboxes are really fucked up right now. I'm still trying to work on that, just so you all know I'm aware of that. If I go from right to left, the objects disappear correctly. The sparkle animation plays, and then they disappear. And yes, those green things are annoying. I'll get rid of it so you can see them. Those are just the hitboxes. Let me go to ring. Ding. Okay, let me get rid of that. It's supposed to be temporary anyway. Okay, yeah, you see how that happens. mean, it's not perfect, but see? And you can see right here are the objects. It's getting there. It's getting there. Still got a hell of a lot of bugs to work out for the simple collisions with rings, because I don't know why the hitbox is being drawn so high above where the actual ring is. But I'm off to a good start, and I think I need to look at older iterations I have to see how I fix the problem of the rings disappearing needlessly, because I had that same problem with a very old version of this, but I did manage to figure it out eventually. And I still gotta fix the sound, because now there's no sound playing. And that's just one amp you hear with the Sonic 3D blast music. Ooh, I guess once I get this working correctly, I can start getting the HUD working. That would look really cool. Well, anyway, I'm getting all over the place. Oh, man. Anyway, it's coming along. I can't wait to actually have this looking like a Sonic game. Okay, L. Okay, let me just go through the capital letters first. L, M, N, O, O, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, whoops, Y, A, Z. I don't know why I said the last few letters in French. I don't know why. Z, Y, Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R. Hey, this is helping me learn how to do the alphabet backwards. I was never good at that. Q, P, no, P, O, N, M. And L. Oops. Hey, there we go. Okay, let me just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. No. 7, 8, 9. Not 1 minus. $21, $22, $23, $24, not $2.43, asshole. $25 and $26. Right now, I'm trying to make it so I can do the title card, and I'm trying to make it so you can just enter the name of the string of or the string of the level name, and have it automatically generate the image for the title card without having to do all sorts of other crazy things. Let this be the pain in the ass that does all that. Hold on. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I have to do this, and I'll make this default case. X grab offset equals 27. There we go. Just hope I didn't have a default setting. Oh yeah, I don't. That's good. Oh, that was probably the most exhausting part of this, actually. Okay, so now that when this iterates through here, let's see. Temp canvas. Context. Whoops. Oof, what happened last night, man? Oh, and by the way, last night I wanted to do Fortnite, but shit came up with, my mom was being a real prick. And it just put me out of the mood so badly. And then my T key on my mechanical keyboard started dying. Hold on, let me just see something here. Hold on, I wasn't too far off. Let me see something here. Hold on, I'm just doing this so I can copy and paste. And I do it like this just so that I can actually see what the hell all the parameters are supposed to be. Whoops. Oh, crap. That's better. Hello, Mr. Cheese. Welcome to the stream. Wait, can I do no parameter? There we go. Oh wait, that's... Oh, I forgot to add... And we don't have a test object, so I don't know if it's going to create a boatload of errors. So let's see. Yeah, I can't sing for shit. Oh, not new imager, new image. Excuse me. There we go. I think that will work. I hope it does. There we go. Oops, I almost forgot. Whoops. I gotta do that. There we go. Oh yeah, it's plural. There we go. Alright, now let's do... Just gonna copy these over. These are the positions and velocities for each of the text objects here. And something went wrong here. Let's see. 29. Whoops. Ah, of course. Of course. My God, I love how the sparkles actually work and the object actually disappears. I just gotta figure out why this stupid thing is doing this so... this is working so strangely. I'd figured it out once before. I can do it again. Alright, so let me go back here. Burp. Oh, something went wrong. $177. Whoops. All right. I think I might have actually done it. I may have actually done what I set out to do here. Only one way to find out, though. Hey, Tojo, what's going on? Let's see. And that didn't work. It didn't crash. I'm trying to make... Actually, I'm making a Sonic clone. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Let me try something here. That did not work. Damn it. And nothing's being drawn. Nothing's crashing, though. That's good. Uh-oh. Whoops. Something did not go well. Oh, I got an idea. This will be easier. Come on, what are those other parameters? Hold on, let me see. See. God damn it, I just want regular JavaScript related stuff, you dumb cunt. Well, thanks for telling me absolutely nothing about all the parameters, you fucking shit wank. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I could just do this instead. I think I could do this. I'm gonna keep these here though, just in case I can reference them again. Man, why did I fuck up this time? 54. Whoops. There we go. Oh boy. Let me just remove this. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I have not yet. I actually been tempted to get into it. Hold on, let me just see something. Hold on, I think I know the problem now. What happens if I do this? Nope, that doesn't work. What a pain in the ass this is. Do data URL. I'm an idiot. Well, it's not drawing the title screen text, title card text, I should say, but it's not completely fucked up either. Means it's almost 10 p.m. for me. Cool. Hold on. There we go. I really do hope that worked. Now let's go back to level. Uncomment this. Let's see if this worked. Well, okay, so it didn't. There's no title screen text on the screen, so I have a feeling this failed really badly. Now make it go from fail to success. Alright, so here we go. Let me go through this function one at a time. So it's going through each loop will be, well, there will be a number of loops equal to the length of the input string. For each one, it'll look at each letter. Hold on, let me just see if I can even do that. Oh, I'm an idiot. Alright, man. Well, it didn't show anything, but I think it's looking a little more likely that we're going to succeed here. Okay, so I still can't get over how cool it looks that the ring animation's actually working correctly. Even if the collisions and the way the array of objects is kind of split apart, kind of looks fucking weird. I know you guys can't see her on screen, but my cat, she is just relaxing right now. What a silly, but really nice cat. Okay, I'm an idiot again. Whoops, not images slash ping. Whoops. Hold on, I think I got a notion on how to handle the object thing. I'm gonna have to look at every time an object is destroyed, and when that happens, call my cleanup function. Because right now, what it's doing is iterating through every object, regardless of when it was collided with, and then removing them, which is creating all of these objects being taken out at once. That's why it looks so weird. Damn. Okay, I hope this doesn't have the most dire of consequences. Hold on, I got an idea on how I can make that even better. Okay, that didn't quite work the way I thought it would. That is, at all. But it got closer. Dun, 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 dun. God, every Hidden Palace stream where they were showing off a prototype, they played this song. And the comment section, they just kept that gonging sound. They kept typing "bong" in chat in all caps. They would go "bong, bong." It was great. Let me see something here. Okay, let me see. No errors. It's not showing shit for shit right now in terms of the title card. So each loop it'll set grab X offset and then multiply that by the size, length, or the width of the letter. Then I'll draw. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's not showing anything right now, but I think I got one big glaring error, logic error, I should say, done right now. Well, look at that. It actually shows all, shows the, so the, sprite sheet loaded correctly. Oh god, I gotta see what it looks like, having Sonic jumping around. It's the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T zone. And no, I've not gotten Sonic's stationary / board animation implemented yet. And no, I've not fixed this weird boomeranging kind of effect that I have with Sonic changing directions in the air. It's another thing I gotta freaking work on. Pardon me if I just keep clicking on the chatbot. One of the pitfalls of working like this. Wait a sec. Well, that didn't work. Why is this not fucking working? That's a pain in the balls. Pain in the ass. I'm very sure that I've got the code to generate the title card text working correctly. It's just getting that image data back to another image that is proving to be a pain in the ass. Let me see here. Not quite what I was looking for. Ah. Oh, I'm sorry you had to hear that. It smells just awful over here. Oh, shit, man. Oh. Ooh. Fuck. Oh, wait a minute. I'm an idiot. This would work. Yeah, I had one hell of a good workout today, so I'm not surprised that I'm feeling a little tired, but okay, I got another idea for how to handle this thing. It's also the options menu, and I love it. It's a great... Hey, what's going on? Long time no see! So, here's what I decided to do. I decided to make canvases, HTML5 canvases, for the title text, which will make it a hell of a lot easier to handle. I won't have to do all this conversion, and I won't need to worry about frickin' the inability to easily convert images. Oh boy. Let me see something here. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, that would be a nice challenge. And something went wrong. 31. Whoops. $178. No, it's not undefined, you fucking pile of cunt. 46. Oh wait, I don't even need this anymore, I don't think. $50. Whoops. Are you shitting me, asshole? What the? Well, that weird. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Let me see. But argument 1 is a fucking canvas. You piece of shit. Ooh, that would be fun. That would be fun. Hold on. Fun fact about the machine stage in Sonic Spinball, whose music we're listening to right now. Apparently, a lot of art assets from the Cyber City / Genocide City zone from Sonic 2 is recycled, or some of the art, I should say. Oh. Argument 1. This stage title text. What the hell does this thing mean then? It can't convert a canvas element to a fucking canvas element? Is this thing mad? Or just stupid? Or am I stupid and I screwed something else up? I need a second. Yeah, now I'm feeling better. Oh, I'll see you around. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good night. It is a nice little sound. This is so fucking annoying. Hold on. Let me take a gander. At my older versions of this. I might have had the same problem before. This is my oldest attempt at this. I know I got a little sidetracked doing that. Oh, I see something else here. I got that part working well. That's not what I wanted to see. So, pardon me for getting sidetracked. That is neat. Hold on. Let me see. Squeeze me. Let's see. So I apparently did something very different. Ah, shit. Man, you can see how much of a mess my original attempt at coding a Sonic clone was, in terms of everything being just smashed into one folder. Holy shite. Oh, no wonder my mouse sensitivity was all over the place. Alright. I like how his look evolved over each game. You know, it really was cool. Just how they did that, you know. Alright, so here's my weird problem here. Let's splice. Count on 1. I got this. Terminate objects unless terminate object. Terminate single object loaded. And I have the splice in position and 1. Sunuckles or Nukick or Sonic or Nuxun. Nuxun, that's like a pretty good sounding one, I think. Nuxun, I really am starting to like that one a lot more. I don't know. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna just scrap this. Scrap that. I'm gonna rework this at another point. I'm not gonna scrap this because that took me a good few minutes to do. And I already feel exhausted when it comes to the idea of having to retype all of that shit. Alright, so the ring objects forward of Sonic get destroyed before others, even though Sonic doesn't collide with them. That's weird. But look, when you go right to left, look at how that works. That looks pretty good. The animation itself looks perfect. Well, except for that one on the bottom left. Oh, no, bottom left for me. That one somehow became out of sync. I'm still trying to figure out how I broke the sound on this thing. I do not know. Alright, sound player. Oops. Oh, that's... Oh, stupid me. I think that's how I broke it. Uh-oh. No, I just broke it worse. Hey! Woohoo! Yep, that is the hitbox. I'm using that for for testing purposes. Hey, that almost worked. I like that sound. Just for fun, let's see what see how stupid it sounds with the pitch shift. Yeah. Yeah. Enough of that. There we go. Hold on a sec. I could take advantage of this same methodology in my music player to make it easier to transition from one track to another. Couldn't I? I think I could. So, I really want to use this engine for my own fan game. I thought about a Sonic traverses multiple video game-based levels, right? Kind of deal. We got the Muda Kingdom from Super Mario Land, Pennsylvania from the Balloon Kid games, and a level based around Tetris called the Tetronimo Panic Zone. And that's just a couple of ideas I've had. This goes back quite a while, but I think it would be fun once I get this engine working to actually do something like that. I still don't understand why it's doing this. Uh-oh. I mean, the bounce is perfect. But the positioning is so weird. Clearly, the two green boxes are not overlapping when Sonic is bouncing. Like, seriously, what the hell? And what's with this? Why is it doing that? I got an idea. Why don't we create a new object We'll get back to fixing these objects and these problems later on. But right now, there's an object that I've really wanted to do. I keep knocking the damn sensitivity up on my mouse. Graphics. Items. Alright, monitor. $32. That means... Okay. 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 All right. I am going to now get the animation data in place. So it's static, Robotnik, 1-up, speed shoots, shield, invincibility, rings, the S monitor, and the goggles, as well as the destroyed. Bow. No idea how many frames per second each animation is, so guess I'm gonna have to wing it. Oh wait, no, I don't have to. Hold on. Yeah, it's a great song, and the level is fun if you can avoid those damn bottomless pits. Alright, so the still image is 4 frames. And the static is 2 frames. Okay, this is going to be an extraordinarily inelegant solution. But what I could do is just make the sprite sheet so it's 4 frames of this. Oh wait, the static changes. Jesus Christ, game. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. That's what I'm gonna do. It's not at all the prettiest, but it's the easiest. Okay, first let me just make sure. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I think I'm pretty damn sure at this point that that's exactly how it is. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure. Okay, actually, I got a better idea. I got a much better idea. I could just make them all one frame and have the animation handling function from my monitor handle when it's 4 frames and when it's 1 frame and when it goes from to one static frame or to another static frame. And not only that, but my sprite sheet will be simplified a little bit more even than it is now. 11:17 though. Pretty soon I will have to go to bed because I do have to get up early tomorrow. But not just yet. 13 minutes. Oh, it's gonna be nice and cold tonight. I like just snuggling up under a heavy down comforter and just rolling up like a pill bug. I'll tell you, cold weather sleeps so much better. Hold on, let me just do this. Toolbox. I don't know why GIMP doesn't start with these open already. It's bullshit. Do-do-do-do-do-doot. Whoops, I don't want to make it 300,999 pixels. No! There, now I have plenty of room. Okay, so 1 static frame, 2 static frames. And of course, this static frame here is going to be its own thing. There, that's a much simpler monitor sprite sheet. Now it's just one single column of values. I like liking the dried up coffee crud on the side of the inside of the cup. I don't know why. What the hell is wrong with me, I should ask. I really should be careful against Do not tap my foot against the wall because of the fact that I am tapping right on the spot where I had to fix the drywall after I kicked a big hole in the wall during a Half-Life playthrough. God, that was like, what, 1 or 2 years ago? Holy crap, I still can't believe I did that. Yeah, it was that part of the game where you had to deal with that fucking tank. And you had that big room with all the armaments that you could easily resupply yourself with stuff. And I kept dying to the fucking thing. So I was just like, you cunt! And just slammed my foot into the fucking wall. It was absolutely hilarious. In retrospect, let me see something. Yeah. I don't know if I was streaming to Twitch at that time. That would have been funny, though. Anyway, okay, 30, 60, no, it's not 70, 60. Let me just take a look at the sheet again. So the first two are single frames. With 2 frame durations. Monitor, this is the one with 4 frames. There we go. Alright, so the Robotnik monitor, then the one up. All these are single frames that are 4 frame in duration. $120. Alright, so the next one should be speed shoes. Alright, shield and then invincibility. There we go. 4. I think it's now. The S monitor and then the goggles. Come on, Gimp. Cunt. Alright, so it is the goggle monitor, and then it's destroyed monitor. Or broken monitor. There we go. Now we've got all my animation frames for the monitor. Well, it is now 11:30, and I have to go to bed because I have to be up early for work tomorrow. But the fun shall not end. Although I think tomorrow I'm not sure what I'm going to do because I'm going to wait for my new frickin' keyboard before playing any kind of real game. But until then, of course, now it's time for my generic outro. If you like this video and you've not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, tap that bell icon so you're notified every time I stream or upload a video. If you are on Mixer or Twitch, please do me a solid and follow me there if you happen to be on that platform. If you want to connect on social media, you may do so on Facebook, Discord, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to donate, which is always optional, you may do so through Patreon, PayPal, Wallet, and Streamlabs. Whether as little as $1 or any amount above, every bit is greatly appreciated and goes towards making this channel a derptastic success. Until next time, Dank and Derpy here saying thank you for watching. I hope you all had fun, and as always, stay classy, stay sassy, be smart-assy, but not too gassy. People still don't like that. And I shall see you all next time.